Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer. Wanted to show you guys one of our 6x12s in stock. These are true off-road trailers set up to be multi-use. They're insulated windows, AC power, batteries, and you've got about 19 inches worth of ground clearance underneath these. They set up a lot taller than your regular standard trailer and again are designed to be true off-road trailers. We are the exclusive home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer. You guys can view all of our units always at getmytrailer.com. Send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. We ship and you can purchase online. It's very simple and easy. So again, this one is a 6x12 in our matte gray. This is a thicker aluminum skin. Does have the generator box and platform on the front, so you've got a great place for that to ride. Side swivel jack, removable front coupler. That's an awesome piece for anti-theft. It's also great if you guys want to add an articulating hitch to this. Twist lock plug on the front, as this does have power. You do have the roof rack. We'll go through all that here right now. Extra tall diamond plate rock guard on the front. You've also got the nice big wrapped corners for that rock protection. Step off the side door, and then we do have the RV lock and cam bar as well on this side door, so you guys have double lock protection there. That little box right there is an exterior GFI outlet, 32-inch Mudterrain tire, black American racing wheel. You also have a brake on this axle. It is a 3,500-pound torsion axle. Party light off the side, roof rack and ladder, and then you also have drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the back for that extra stability when you guys want to drop this from your vehicle and use it for camping and multi-use. Rear deck option as well, so you've got a ramp, of course. You can load and unload your toys, carry your stuff with you, or you fold those jacks down and you can have a deck as well off the back. Party lights, and you've got the load lights off the back, so great exterior light so you can see what you're doing. And we're going to go in the side door here. Backside gives you this, the RV lock latch and a set of keys, so great feature. And then this is an insulated unit, so you do have insulated walls and ceiling in here, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Couple of slider windows. These are a tinted lockable window. And then you've got the Maxxair roof vent on top for just some additional ventilation. Performance Nudo floor. This is one of the most durable floors that we can find, which is why we stick it in trailers. It's set up to last a lot longer than a wood floor will for you guys. And then, of course, you've got the ramp door, 6'6" interior height. Looks like 4 puck lights. So you've got 2 of those guys on each side, which is great. And we're going to talk about that right now. So a couple different sources of power in here for you. There's a battery with a battery box, the battery charger. That's a great feature because it's going to run all your 12-volt lighting. So runs the party lights outside, runs the load lights off the back, and as you guys can see, it runs these puck lights. Normally you need to be plugged into a vehicle or have your generator on to have light, and that eliminates that problem for you. So I love that feature. And then again, you've got 30 amp service, so you've got your little breaker box right here, twist lock plug on the front, plug into a generator that you supply on the tongue, plug into a campground extension cord. However, you're going to bring 110 power in, and that will bring power into your outlets. So you do have 4 inside here plus the 1 exterior GFI outlet. It will run these 2 overhead 4-foot LED lights, so you'll have a ton of light in here if you need it. It also will run your AC unit with a heat strip. So you do have the ability, as you guys can see, to heat and cool these units as well with that great little AC unit right there. 3-year factory warranty. I believe this unit weighs 1,800 pounds. It's going to give you about an 1,800 pound payload capacity, 1,500 pounds, somewhere around there. So you guys can go right to our website, get more pictures, more specs. Again, at getmytrailer.com, go to our off-road tab. You'll find it there. And as always, shoot us an email with questions, sales@getmytrailer.com. Give us a call, 303-688-8485, or go to the website and we'll help you out. And be sure to like and subscribe.